Gandalf? For I much desire to speak with you. Tell me where is Gandalf? For I much desire to speak with you. A Balrog of Morgoth. What did you say? A Balrog of Morgoth. What did you say? They're taking the hobbits to Isengard. 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 They're taking the hobbits to Isengard.
Now and never come